Here we have indicated 6 interesting uses for companies, and we will illustrate them one by one. Receive suggestions from colleagues or customers. Often, an important component in finding a solution to an issue or problem is to get more eyes or different perspectives on it. The best idea allows a manager to publish a challenge, to which people can respond via a flash response, or a full project. Members of the organization at large, which may include customers, suppliers and other stakeholders, can also publish ideas or projects autonomously, that is, not in response to a prior challenge. On any of these, you can get feedback through a voting and ranking mechanism. The strong anonymity paradigm of the best idea allows to get around the common problem of silence for fear of being unpopular. Finally, the best idea has the capability to allow the originator to be able to claim and prove authorship of an idea mechanism. This enables reputation enhancement and possible rewards to act as incentives. Make meetings more effective, both in person or when working remote. You can have the participants propose and choose the agenda by asking them to make proposals on an identified theme, and have them voted on before the meeting. The best idea can be used to select among alternatives by posting challenges to find solutions and doing surveys with immediate results. A common problem in every organization is that often participants arrive unprepared for the meeting, which of course is unproductive and forces the meeting to be called again at a later date. By cooperating on the best idea platform, participants can think ahead to the issues and contribute ahead possible solutions. The guarantee of anonymity together with the ability to claim authorship provide incentives for people to stick their neck out when proposing solutions. Involve your staff and others in exercises such as brainstorming design thinking hackathons. The best idea gives you a structured and flexible way to program the various phases of a project in advance and to launch them or make them visible one at a time at the right time. The Best Idea co-working platform allows participants to contribute on independent schedules, reducing the need for expensive time coordination. The Best Idea improves co-working for both in-person and by remote meetings. The strong anonymity features both when publishing and voting elicits bold solutions that people might otherwise be fearful to put forward or support through voting. As the voting and scoring can start immediately, without having to wait on other submissions, the time to get to a decision can be reduced. Finally, the scores of alternatives and complete ranking is available immediately when the voting is stopped. This slide shows a research and development model, or template, which can be modified and saved among one's own saved models. The slide shows the view by participants and the project manager screen during setup. Make reliable online market surveys. The Best Idea allows you to choose your target participation audience and to create groups of participants for the project. These participants do not have to be current subscribers to the TBI platform and can be loaded from an Excel file. Different viewing authorization levels can be set up to protect confidentiality. For instance, in the groups, members can be divided into different levels for this purpose. For instance, the company can prevent overly negative or improper posts to be seen by other clients, while it is always possible for the company to allow opportune comments to be shared with the wider audience. The Best Idea polling capabilities include the use of skip logic to free participants from having to answer non-relevant questions. And results and statistics can be viewed and filtered by respondent type. An extremely common issue with any kind of polling is that responses are often not sincere. The complete anonymity paradigm of the Best Idea solves this problem. Finally, it is important to mention that the Best Idea is not a social platform, where everything is visible to everyone. Managers choose the audience that participates in a project. Group membership levels can be set up to determine viewing privileges. If reasons of confidentiality require it, participation can be restricted to only a small number of qualified experts, certified by the best idea. Get financing of a new venture or project by publishing its business plan. When seeking internal or external financing for a new venture or project, the best idea allows one to show the project only to a restricted group of people. When putting the project together, the user can be greatly helped by using some of the predefined models of the business plan function. On the other side, the manager who viewing new project ideas that have been put forth within the company can filter what they see based on rankings, or on whether the project possesses a particular characteristic. Use tests to evaluate the skills of candidates for a job. With the best idea, you can create your own customized, editable templates to prepare various kind of tests, for instance to evaluate the skills of job applicants. The use of conditional surveys, with skip logic, allows to skip the use of questions that prior answers indicate as non-relevant. Assigning preset scores to each possible answers allows an overall average score to be calculated automatically, from which the rankings are immediately available so that the most interesting candidates can be seen. A detailed report in Excel saves you from having to check all answers one by one.